Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I have another weight gain smoothie recipe that promises great results and I can't wait for you to try it out. I also included the approximate calorie count of each ingredient just in case you're counting your calories. So now let's do this. First we'll scoop out about 1 teaspoon chia seeds. These seeds contain essential nutrients but you can leave it out if you don't have it. Next we'll fill up a glass of milk and add the chia seeds into it. We'll let it soak for about 15 minutes to absorb some of the liquid and prevent any digestive issues that might come from using the seeds. Now we'll peel and slice the banana. And then we'll scoop out the peanut butter, the coconut oil, and the condensed milk. We'll place all into a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. To add weight really fast with this drink, you have to make it in a large batch and drink 3 times a day for best result. I can't wait to hear your feedbacks. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up by clicking on the like button below, subscribe and share with a friend. I truly appreciate. See you in the next video. Bye bye.